In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order directly from a stock chart using Robinhood Legend on your PC. If you're new to this feature or want a smooth and efficient way to make trades without having to constantly flip between screens, this guide is perfect for you. We're going to walk through each step together, making sure you know how to confidently submit orders right from the chart view. First, start by logging into your Robinhood Legend account on your personal computer. Make sure your credentials are correct and that you have a secure and stable internet connection. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you can easily access your watch list and portfolio. Next, navigate to your watch list or your portfolio and select the stock you're interested in. When you open a stock from these areas, you'll see its detailed chart, complete with all the relevant price movements and historical data. This chart serves as the primary space where you'll be placing your orders today. Now, here comes one of the most convenient features. To place an order directly from the chart, simply look for the plus sign icon, which you'll usually find aligned right next to the current price level on the chart itself. By clicking this plus icon, the order ticket interface will pop up, allowing you to initiate the trading process without any hassle. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be prompted to choose the type of order you want to place. Robinhood Legend offers several options here, such as buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, or sell stop. Take a moment to decide which order type best fits your trading strategy. For example, if you want to purchase shares only if the price drops to a certain level, a buy limit order would be the right choice. If you instead want to sell your shares if the price goes up to a specific point, a sell limit order is what you'd select. Once you've picked the order type, it's time to fill in the details. Enter the quantity of shares you want to buy or sell and specify your desired price. Be precise here, as these numbers will determine how and when your order is executed. Double check everything to ensure accuracy, as even a small mistake can make a big difference. Finally, review your order information one more time to make sure all the details are correct. If you're happy with what you've entered, click the Submit button to send your order directly to the market. Robinhood Legend will process it based on the instructions you provided, and you'll receive a confirmation once it has been accepted. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can quickly and efficiently place orders right from a stock chart in Robinhood Legend on your PC. This method not only saves you time, but also makes trading more visual and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!